Yeah, what is up guys, this is Sharpie and a beast, this one right here, false, asked me to make a tutorial on how to change the sound of the gun that's shooting. It's pretty easy, actually. Just remove the sound. I'm going to show you right now. So we open Sony Vegas. Loading. Okay, here it is. So we import the clip and a clip. Media. This one. Drag it. Okay. So it's a trick shot, I think. Yep. So we press here down on the sound. We press U and we drag the sound away. U and drag the sound away. Now we delete it, and there's some editing packs that you can download. Sounds, explosion sounds, and slow motion intervention sounds. Yeah, you can search them on YouTube. I have some already here. Explosion. I use this one most. Oops, wrong. Explosion. There. So you put it right here, and I'm gonna put it to you. So I don't know if you hear it. Okay, so we want to go to the exactly at the second that we shoot, which is right, I think right here, and we put it here, and as you can see, it's really good. And then you just put it anywhere you want. Okay guys, I'm out. Peace.